Hello guys, this is my quick unboxing of the Saramonic Smart Rig number 2. Now let's have a look. It arrived quickly, just a few days, so there it is. Let's have a look at the box itself. It looks very nice. Very excited to get this thing rolling. And I'm going to show you some of the features that it has. Alright, let's get started and see what's in the box. So as you can see, it's very well packaged. It came promptly without any issues. So let's open it up and have a look inside. Okay, so what this allows you to do is you can actually connect a guitar to it, so you can record right on your phone. If you would like to do that, you can do that, or you can connect your mic. I primarily got it for the mic, so let's have a look. See what comes in the box. So let's put the box to the side. Alright, let's see what it looks like. Alright, very nice. Okay, and there's the cord right there. Okay, see what else is in here with this. I got this. Don't eat this, by the way. This piece of Velcro here too. Let's put this to the side. Alright, so there it is, guys. Very nice. And that's your switch there for phantom power. So you turn it on. Obviously I need the battery in it, so let's put a battery in there. This is where the battery goes. Just slide that out just like that. Okay. And then you're going to add your battery. This is for the phantom power, so this is for your mic to be able to work with your phone. So let's put that in. You got a plus and a minus sign right there. So let's add the battery and turn it on and see what it looks like. So let's put the battery in there. So it takes a 9-volt battery. I'll slide that back in, and as you can see, it is on. So that's your phantom power. That's for your professional mics that are going to need phantom power, or you can just have it turned on. So you have it turned on if you have your guitar hooked up to it, so you can see you have 2 inputs. So this will be for your guitar. So let me demonstrate real quickly here. Alright, so if you were going to connect your guitar, here is the cord for your guitar. You would connect this right into the rig, and then this part right into your phone, and you should be able to record your guitar right to it. Now again, I will add to this review once I'm done with it and give you some updates, but that's exactly how it will work. You have it on and you have your guitar, and it'll be connected to your phone like that. So let's just connect this here and show you the function that I actually got it for. Not so much for my guitar, but for the mic and the vocals. Alright, let's have a look. So, as you can see, it's got the headphone jack. We can connect our headphones to it. So you connect the headphones to it like that. Then you'll have your mic. It's either lapel mics. I haven't tried this one, but let me get the other one. Alright, so this happens to be an XLR mic, but you can connect professional XLR mics to it if you wanted to. So this is a lapel mic with an XLR input. So let's connect that. So it connects right in there, just like that. And then this part goes to your phone. And now you will be able to record your videos right onto your phone. So when you turn it on, it will automatically recognize, so you don't need any extra programs. And then you'll have full use of your lapel mic, right? You do want to turn on the phantom power for this, because this needs phantom power. So you turn on the phantom power, you talk into this, and this is your level control. So you don't want to clip it out, so you don't want to have it too high up where you can see the difference between low level and high level, and then you'll be able to hear what you're recording right on your headphones when you're connected to this. Alright, so there it is, guys. I'm very excited. I tried it out a couple of times now, but I will add to this, as well as have another video demonstrating the exact usage of the Saramonic Smart Rig 2. So I'm very happy with it. Feels very sturdy so far. It works great, and I will update the review. Alright, thanks again. I'll see you on the next one. Bye. So welcome to my storefront on Amazon.
But here's the part that I like the best. So whenever I get asked about my gear, as far as guitars, as far as streaming, the mics I use, the cameras I use, the lighting, and all things of that nature, now I have a place where I can just share that with you guys. Thanks so much. I look forward to your feedback, and I'll talk to you soon. Bye-bye.